I'm Naomi and I was an apprentice in social care. I have first-hand experience of living within care. I had some really good social workers who I had really positive relationships with. I could really tell that they did care about me. So when I think about being a social worker myself, I want to be that type of social worker. An apprenticeship was exactly what I needed. I needed experience. I still wanted to learn. I wasn't in a position where I could just go full into education and not be earning a wage. So my apprenticeship allowed me to earn and gain the qualification I needed to continue in my career path. And I wanted to go on to do my social work degree. I'm currently a third-year social work student. I didn't particularly know what I wanted to do, but I did know that I wanted to make a difference. And I think that's fundamentally what you do within social care, whether it's to one person's day or a whole family's day. There's a real difference between someone who's just doing a job and somebody who actually does care.